Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Badgy from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a very cool looking character. So to begin, we're going to draw in just one big circle, so this is going to be his head shape. Okay, so my circle is very wobbly. Alright, so then from here we're going to draw in his nose, so just right in the middle of the circle right here. Just draw in almost like a little egg shape on his side. So that's going to be the nose, and then to finish up the snout area, from the middle here, just come up, you can make a little dot. And from that point, this is going to be the top of the circle. We'll come down. So right around here, not all the way to the bottom. So just complete this circle, and this will give us the snout area. And then from here, we're going to draw in his eyes. So just start out at an angle right here. Just going to draw one circle. And then same thing here. So just right in between this space, just draw a circle. And then for this one, I'm just going to draw another circle inside. Okay, so now we're going to draw in those little bars around his eyes. So this part right here, just right above the eye, draw one slant going out, and then the same direction on the bottom. So just make sure you go around the eyeball. Same thing on this side. So just draw one slant. Just coming back to the center here. Okay, so let me shade this in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. Alright, so once we have these two bars, there's one more on the bottom, and just try to draw the same width as you've drawn on the ones over the eyes. So just right in the center here. And let me shade that in as well. Okay, and then for the cheeks, it's really simple. Just come out to the side right here. Just draw a little egg shape. Okay, and then now for his ears, just use the black bar right here as a guide. So I'm just gonna start right here. So same thing here, whatever bar you have right here. Okay, and then now for the inside, I'm gonna draw one more circle inside. And then this part's gonna be black, so I'm just gonna shade this in. Okay, so that's the head, and very cool looking head. And now let's draw in the body. So for the body right here, here's the shoulder. I'm just gonna draw in two lines coming down like this, and this is gonna be the armpit. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna pinch it in all the way down to his waist right here, and then we'll flare this back out. And let's close this off so it looks like he's wearing a shirt. And then for the inside, the tie, really easy, right in the center right here. Just come down with a little, almost like a V shape. And then now right here, we're gonna come down, just flare out. And then close it off with an angle. Okay, and then from here, let's go ahead and finish up his legs, and then we'll come back and draw in his arms. So for his legs, just come down right in the middle right here. Let's draw one little mark, and then we're gonna draw the inside of the legs first. So we're gonna come down, it's almost straight down, I'm giving it a little bit of a slant. And then now let's come back up here, we're gonna draw the same slant as this. We'll come down, stop a little short. For his foot right here, just one little bump, and then close off the bottom. Okay, so same slant, just coming down, stop a little short, one little bump, and then close it off. Alright, so now let's draw in his arms, and let's draw this side first. This one's a little bit easier. This one's gonna be holding his weapon. So again, here's his armpit, and his shirt kind of comes out a little bit. So I'm gonna start right here on the shoulder, curve out, and then just come back into the armpit with a straight line. Okay, and now for the lower arm right here, we'll just come down a little bit more, and then just a really long bracket right here, slight curve. So we're right around here, and then now for his thumb right here, it's one little hook. Here's the inside of hand, so just one little line. Here's the back of the hand. And then right here, we're gonna start his other finger. So we're gonna curve down, and then just round it out and just curve back up. And then for his other fingers, just one little bump here. Alright, so now let's draw in the other arm. So this one's gonna be holding his weapon. So again, here's the armpit. Come back up to the shoulders right here. Curve down. And then right here, one long bracket. So we're right around here. Okay, and then for this one, he's gonna be holding his weapon. So we're gonna come down right here. Just draw like a little curve like this first. like a little half circle going this way. Okay, so this part's a little bit tricky. And then from this point here, I'm gonna draw his weapon. We're gonna draw one line coming out, and then we're gonna flare this one so that it's a little bit wider on this end right here. We're gonna try to give it a little bit of a perspective here. And then from here, these 2 points, just draw like a little egg shape. So this is gonna be the end of the tube. Okay, and then whatever curve you have here, I'm gonna draw one more right here. And then back here, again, whatever curve you have here, just draw another one right here. So I know this tube is kind of floating, so now we gotta draw in the hands. So right here, just one little curve like this, that's gonna be his thumb. And then here's the back of his hand, just curve it right behind that. Okay, so it looks like he's holding on to this thing. Alright, and then lastly for some details, it's got some markings right here. Just gonna draw some lines. I'll make this end right here a little bit thicker. And that is it for this very cool looking Badgy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.